What do you do when you have to feed 4 people and you're running out of money and payday is not for another 4 or 5 days? Let me show you how to feed 4 people a day for 3 days on $14.08. That's going to be 12 meals. Each person breaks down to $4.69, which breaks down to $1.17 a meal. You want to see how I do it? For the next 3 videos, watch this. This will be in 3 parts. You're not going to believe it, how tasty, how good, how fresh, how delicious this is going to be. Hello, we're about to make the easiest meal that you can imagine. Cut the ends off, cut the other ends off, cut both ends off, throw them directly in the pot. We're going to go half a green pepper, cut that at 4 pieces. Throw that in whole. 1 squash, ends off, 4 pieces. Throw those in whole. 1 zucchini. Once again, you got it, 4 pieces. Throw those in whole. Then we're going to throw in 4 potatoes. These are already washed. You're ready to go. 1 turnip. Cut the ends off. Cut this into 4 pieces. Ready to go. 1 ham hock. 1 onion. Cut this 4 pieces. Throw them in. Then we have 1 head of cabbage. Slice in. Slice the end off. 4 pieces. Last but not least, we have 1.5 pounds of Boston butt. So 3 pounds altogether, 1.5 pound piece. Cut this into 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're getting ready to go to the stove and cook. Let's turn on the burner and get this thing rolling. We're going to few more ingredients. 6 garlic cloves. A few dashes of Jugo seasoning, which is also a substitute for Maggi seasoning. Some seasoning salt and basil, along with some black pepper. We'll let this come to a boil, and it's going to simmer for about 2 hours. We'll come back and plate this thing up, and we'll show you the 4 meals. Now let's put a little of this thing and wrap it up, and I'll come back. We're going to bring it to a boil. We'll come back when it's done, and we'll plate it up. All right, it's been 2 hours. We're ready for the reveal. Look at that. That looks delicious. Ready for the reveal. Let's plate some up. Grab a carrot. Grab a squash. Grab some of this cabbage. See if we can find a piece of pork here. It's a piece of pork right there. And what about a potato? There's a potato. See if we can get some zucchini. Excuse the dog barking. barking in the background. She does that. Here's the zucchini. There we go. Plate up meal. Get some juice in here. Grab some of that juice. And there you go. We have 3 more plates like this to put together. And then next we'll come back and show you how to put an entire new meal together using the same pot. Cooking is not about recipes following strict lines. It's about creativity and stretching food. Here's the first set of meals on the final plating. We have potatoes, zucchini, squash, pork, carrots, and cabbage over here. We had a little rice on the bottom of the pan to soak up some juice. There you have it. Stay tuned for the next meal.